MissCarly. Thank you for coming back to watch another amazing video that I have for you. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, and to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I'll be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now let's get inspired by this very spring and St. Patrick's Day kind of styled wig. This is so unique and it is just gorgeous. Perfect for St. Patrick's Day, or of course, as I'm wearing this really great dress, a garden party. I didn't mention St. Patrick's Day because I actually filmed this eye makeup look really easy, so definitely check that out as well, because why not be super glamorous on St. Patrick's Day or any other day of the week? So let's check out this glamorous and gorgeous spring green colored wig right here. It is from Udreamy. I've actually done a few wig reviews for them all right here. All the links are down below for that, including all the information about this wig and the link for it. So this of course is from Amazon Prime. Get it in 2 days, pretty glamorous. But for the wig construction is pretty classic for your typical Amazon wig, for the fact that it has a medium cap. It has 3 combs, so 2 combs right here in the side, and then 1 comb right here in the center. There is not a comb with the fasteners, but this does have a medium cap. So this would be large head friendly if you need that. Also, what's really nice about this, it has light lace right here. All I did with this wig is just cut the lace off. I did not do any kind of customization, just cut the lace off. And of course, this does have, pretty typical, a 2.5 inch parting right here, as you can see. So there she is. She is listed as 24 inches. And she is a really nice density with these gorgeous kind of messy waves. Look at that, and it kind of V's, which is really nice with the density, so it isn't too crazy. So it has these shorter layers right here, pretty nice. I actually have a red wig that's very similar to the texture of this, and I absolutely love it. So, and also this wig does come in multiple colors other than the green, so just an FYI. But let's put this girl on. I do have my wig cap in nude, which I got from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below for that. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. But if you do need a wig cap, she does come with 2 wig caps, so you are ready to go as soon as she arrives. Yes. All right, so I put my wigs on front to back, so we back it up. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I just love this. It is just so uniquely different with these colors. Dream girl. Dream garden party girl, right? Oh my gosh, so this is down the center. This of course is fabulous. All I did was also lightly brush her. She does have minimal shedding, which is just very common for any Amazon wigs. I do of course have my really great wig brush. I did review on wig brushes from Amazon, so do check that out, link down below. But look at this. Look at her. So she, now listed as 24, which is about right. So the longest part is around mid waist for me, which is perfect. And she just really has these gorgeous, messy curls. I really like this down the center. At first I parted on my normal side. So let's mess with the parting. As you know, I love to do. The easiest way for me to change the parting on a wig is just shift the wig cap around. So I will part it on my usual eyebrow, which is my left. See what she looks like. I mean, clearly, I'm always gonna love this because this is always the side that I part my hair. Really great. Love it. Okay, so let's shift it on the other side. Every once in a while, I I prefer it on the misfit eyebrow, because we all know eyebrows are sisters, they are not twins. So let's just do a little bit more. Oh, this is really nice too. I do like this. Very, very similar view with the face framing of these gorgeous bouncy layers right here. I mean, it's like the perfect curl right here. I just love it. This is so much fun, and why not have fun every single day of your life? Let's all be green with envy, right? So again, this is from QD Udreamy. All the links are down below for this. Let me know what you think about it, and I want to know if you have any green wigs yourself. I would love to see you in those wigs, so definitely reach out to me on Instagram. Great way for you to share your photos with me, or of course email me. I love to hear from you. And remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous in this amazing green pastel garden party St. Patrick's Day wig, wear it, love it, and be amazing. And I want to thank you, and we will see you soon.